Are you tired of the guesswork? Optimize your social media strategy with data-driven insights. Oh, by the way, send me a message and I'll get you access to our analytic-driven adjustment checklist to optimize your social media strategy. My name is Gerald, your digital marketing strategist. I share practical tips and creative ideas that you can implement right away after watching my videos. Let's get started. The first cornerstone of data-driven social media strategy is to truly understand your KPIs, or key performance indicators, and their importance. These KPIs are measurable metrics that directly align with your business objectives and reflect the success of your social media efforts. When you have a clear understanding of your goals, it becomes essential to identify the right KPIs that will help you track your progress and make data-driven decisions. For example, if your goal is to drive traffic to your website, your KPIs could include click-through rate, website visits, or number of conversions generated from social media. Now, on the other hand, if brand awareness is your primary objective, metrics such as reach, impressions, and follower growth might be more relevant. So understanding your KPIs allows you to set benchmarks, measure your performance, and assess the effectiveness of your social media strategy. It gives you the ability to identify areas of improvement, double down on what's working, and make informed decisions about the direction of your social media efforts. Keep in mind that your KPIs might evolve as your brand grows and your goals shift. So it's important to assess and refine your KPIs to ensure that they remain aligned with your business goals and provide meaningful insights into your social media performance. Now, to optimize your social media strategy, it's important to dive deep into the social media analytics and leverage the wealth of data available to you. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn provide comprehensive analytic tools that offer valuable insights into your audience's behavior and your content's performance. By exploring social media analytics, you can uncover a bunch of information and data points that reveal how your audience interacts with your content. Metrics such as engagement rates, impressions, reach, and audience demographics can provide you valuable information. Identify which types of content resonate the most with your audience. Understand the times when your audience is most active, and gain insights into the demographics of your followers. For example, you might discover that your audience engages more with videos than with images, or that certain topics generate higher levels of engagement. So knowing this information, you can refine your content strategy, tailor your messaging, and optimize your social media activities to maximize impact. Now, by leveraging social media analytics, you can make informed decisions based on real-time data, ensuring that your efforts are targeted, effective, and deliver the desired results. Test, test, test. Optimizing your social media strategy is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, analysis, and adjustment. The social media landscape is dynamic, and audience preferences, trends, and algorithms are always changing. To stay ahead of the curve and drive meaningful results, you'll need to embrace an evolving approach that allows you to adapt and improve your strategy over time. Regularly reviewing your KPIs and social media analytics is important to gauge the effectiveness of your content strategy. Analyze the data to understand what's working well, what can be optimized, and where there are opportunities for growth. Experiment with different content formats, posting times, engagement techniques, and even platforms to identify what resonates most with your audience and drives your desired outcome. Embrace a test and learn mindset, where each experiment provides valuable insights that helps you refine your strategy. Use A and B split testing, track the performance of different content variations, and closely monitor the results. By constantly changing and adjusting your approach based on the data, you can refine your content strategy, enhance audience engagement, and consistently improve your social media performance. Remember, embrace the power of data. Stay curious and be willing to experiment and take calculated risks. By staying agile and responsive to changes in social media landscape, you can position yourself ahead of your competition, achieve remarkable results in your social media endeavors. Hey guys, I hope that helps. Send me a message and I'll get you access to our analytic-driven adjustment checklist to optimize your social media strategy. Peace, love, stay awesome. Catch you guys on the next one.